Ilavarasi. Today you are going to see a super tasty fruit juice in musk melon with chikoo fruit. More nutrients in musk melon fruit. Generally it keeps your skin healthy on the summer, and chikoo fruit too. Musk melon can eat for weight loss, but more you can eat this fruit on the summertime. This helps to cool your body. Water and fiber content in musk melon fruit, so it's good for your digestive system. So come, let's get started with the recipe. I'm having a one big musk melon and 4 chikoo fruit I have taken for this fruit juice. I'm not going to add water or milk in this juice. I'm adding a 4 spoon of honey for this juice. Chikoo fruit I have taken for this fruit juice, and also I am adding a dry ginger powder. Finally, this dry ginger powder give a good taste for this juice, and also I will use this powder whenever I am adding honey. Now I will show you after I blend it. That's it. Now it's ready. It's really tasty juice for the summer. Thanks for watching, and please share your feedback in the comment section. Did you really like my recipe? Then do subscribe my channel and enable bell icon to all for more videos, and follow my Facebook and Instagram page. Thank you once again. Take care and bye.